Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm continuing tutorial from before. Can't remember what was last. So basically, it's the same as before, same bits from last video. So if you save this, you notice you get error and this bit here. So we will put this to false because you don't want it true straight away. So say like this, see if you can edit. No error. So as you see here, we got the mouse down. If the error.count type is mouse down, wait, let me remove the microphone. Yeah, it should be there. It should say button press true. If it's up, button press false. And we've got here. So first of all, we want to make a thing here. We're gonna make foo balls for foo int as well. We want to int equal mouse position number 1. This could be the first position of the mouse. So if this is true here, we'll have an if statement. Want another thing here, variable called int. No, sorry. We call this for a nice name. Call this the first mouse position. Not best at choosing names. So if you make first mouse position here, I'll make this false as well. True. So when this is true here, first mouse position is equal to true. Yeah. Mouse position 1 would be equal to event dot current dot mouse position, and it's not int, it's a vector 3. No, vector 2. Sorry, because it's x and y only. But this will keep on getting it, so you will want first mouse position to be equal to false. Yeah, so where's our update loop here? I want to quickly print it. No, we can't print this here, so I'll have to print it in here. Print mouse position 1. No, first mouse position, sorry. First mouse position. And I actually chose loop, didn't I? Let's put this on collapse. If you put this on collapse, it'll join these together. So let's see. The first mouse position. First mouse position. The first one was right. My strip mistake. We get sign local variable equal to vector 2. So that's just we don't want to show. So yeah. I did a strip mistake somewhere. Open the references. Let's see what I do. Yeah, that's good. Then if you check here, yes, this is my strip mistake here. First mouse position is equal to false. Still, it won't record the mouse position. Weird. So it doesn't. We'll handle that later on. So we've got the first mouse position here. We want the second mouse position. Right, I'll move this thing all the way up, thingy up here. I'll do private. I want mouse position 2. This will be the last position of the mouse. /0. This should do it. Let's see nervous. And that'll fix it. There has to be some logical mistake I did somewhere around here. So let's see. Yep, cut that mouse down. Yeah. Mouse select is 2. Mouse select is 4. I'll rethink the video I found up. Anyway, that was a stupid mistake. You press bring the bullets will up here, because every time it would change, the button press would become false, so it'd be 0, 0. It was my own stupid mistake. So if you bring these two up here, the bull as well, so you won't have a problem. As you see, after bringing the bull up there, you get the position of the mouse, it'll automatically get. So now we want the last position of the mouse. So let's see, if button press this and button press that's false. So we get this, and we get that. Basically, you could do it like this. Mouse position 2, this is the last position of mouse, equal to event.current. This one's a lot easier because this will keep on getting the mouse position until the drag stops here. When you pull the mouse up, this will get the last position of the mouse, so it'll be a lot easier. So yeah, let's see if all of these are done. Anyway, on to do a quick void here as well. We'll call this void inventory sorter, because the way we're going to do it is we're not going to change the position of the mouse, we're changing the position of the inventory itself. So it'll be a lot easier because you'll have a messed up buttons going all the way, so it's better to change the inventory. Everything I suppose sorter right. So we want to send this to here. So what we'll do is we'd have if this button pressed is false, we want to send it, but we don't want to do it like that. Let's give it a try like this. We want something in here to be true, but false. Oh. Let's go like that really. Button pressed is true, and hi there. Shouldn't print anything. It only prints it when we press the button. We don't want to do it like that. We want to do it when it releases the button. Yeah. I want to do an else statement here. We could do an else statement here to send it like that, but I'll be doing it how many times per window. So we could do an else statement like this. Let's give it like this a try. But this might cause a bit of lag, because this will be how many times a second. See? Once you let go, it stops. No. weird. Now to get the reference thing I try as well. Can't remember how I did it. So this is the button press false and mouse 1. So mouse 1. Interesting. So basically what we're going to do here is we'll add a nullable. This one will check if it's thingied. So what should we call it? We call it mouseport ready to send. Good, I always have the stupidest names to choose. False. I usually call these false, so the mouse up position. Mouse position ready to send be equal to true. And here be equal to false. Things like that. Then we would use the if statement. If button first is true, is false. Oh god, double. You always do double to make it. And mouse pause is true. Want inventory sorter. God, I think I messed up with these names again. So what we want here is the mouse position 1 and mouse position 2. Mouse position 2. So we want to write vector 2 here. Mouse 1. This is for the first position. Or we could just write pause 1 to make it understand easier. Now vector 2 here. Mouse pause 2. And you just want to print. And not only that, we want to make mouse pause 1 equal to 0, 0. The vector 2, 0. Equal to vector 2 0 slash 0. That should really do it. So alright. As you see here, we'll get the 2 positions of the mouse now. So first of all, we want to do a for loop here. We want to call it int I is equal to 0. I is less than inventory dot count. I is equal to plus plus. So yeah, then you want to copy paste this thing here, because these are the positions of the mouses. So as you see here, I'll get all the positions of the mouse from the beginning, and it'll include the position of the inventory itself. So you can move the inventory and still use the buttons, or change the button size and everything. So yeah, multiple paint program to explain this bit. Mouse pause 1. So basically I'll do a quick paint because this bit's a bit hard to explain. So first we have a line here. Think of this as the X line, not the, just think of it just simple X button. Thing is, on the first event, when it first calls 0, it'll spawn at the 0 coordinates. So it'll be equal to 0, like here. It won't be 70, it'll be starting at 0. So I want mouse.x to be higher than x pause. because it'll be starting at 0. And mouse dot x. Just quick on to save here. I think Unity didn't like vector 2Ds. I wonder if this just does the job quickly. Yes. A bull and a float. These are floats. Yes. Shit. Sorry. Can just fix the bug a bit. And nope. You're supposed to put int. If you want to turn something to int, you do it like that. There's always on C#, like you put a dot next to it, turn it to int. I don't know if this way is the best. This is where I usually do it. As I save it. Yeah. Whoa. What? Oh, let's cut this bit out. We'll have an int called mouse pause. Called mouse po1. Sorry about the messed up name. Mouse 1 x1. I think something with the vector 2D or something. You want another thing here for mouse. Let's give it this try because I'm not sure what mentioned by a bull. Y is equal to yeah. So wait, let me readjust the check quickly. So what we want to do now is mouse dot x1 is higher than export because export starts at 0 when x is 0 and the button goes like that plus the size of the button, so it'll be sent in that case. And mouse pause. Got too many names here. I'll find a way of shortening this. X pause plus. You want to copy paste this bit here, like this here. Plus this bit. Yeah. See, this time I'll add the 70. So it'll be like, because it starts at 0, I'll add the 70, making it think like it's a button. Because it won't add the 70 automatically, it won't think it's a button really. I'm getting now. Okay. Oh yeah. This should really fix this bug, this bit here. Well, no. No. Please don't give me a bug. So yeah. So let's see. If it does that, print I, so you can find the number which position the button is. Let's see if there's any bugs. um, 0, 5. Ah, yeah, because you see, you're thinking, why is the 5? Because I didn't use the y coordinate yet, so I'll think of all the x's in one go. If I use the y coordinate, I'll just get this one here. So I'll add the y one quickly as well. Oh, I lost where I am. And basically, it's the same thing for this here. Let's copy paste this bit here. We call this the y here. But I need to find better names for these things. Journal should fix it. I'll see, yeah, one. Yeah, one. Yep. So if you do it like that, you see, drag it, you automatically get the button you want. You see it's from 0 to 19. If you put from 1, it'll be 1 to 20. But you're better off learning the 0 way, because that's how most coding is in language. It starts from 0 usually. Should always start from 0, not usually. I don't know really. There might be something out there that doesn't start from 0. So it's like that. Now, you're better off just copy pasting this bit really. Because you want to do a second for loop for the second button. There's other ways to make it look more clean and tidier, but I usually find this way easier to modify. So this one we want to, let's say b. B is equal to 0. B less than inventory dot count. B is equal to plus plus, and we went out of time because it says I have 20 minutes left, and that's more than 20 minutes already. So we'd like to copy paste this bit here as well. I put the int here because I want to make a thing here, change it again. And I already got a bug. Let's see, yeah, because it's always spawned in the global scope. This is a local scope, so this should really fix any bugs. Yeah, this I could just spawn the global scope here. You have to think it here. The reason I do it like this and not all up here is because we've got one here, so it might mess up the whole thing. So as before, you want to do not if statements. And you could copy this whole thing here. There's a lot cleaner ways, but I thought this might be the best, easier way to understand. And now we need to thingy again 2 times. Copy this bit here, just because we're going to do mouse position 2. That was 2. Then you want this bit here. But that gives my eyesight. That's for 2. That's for 2. Check for any bugs. Usually end up with loads of bugs. 2. And just change them into 2 versions. Yeah. So this time we go to temporary items. And if you remember for the first tutorial, this is the item class here. So you remember what these are. So this bit here, you can check its items types, so you can add it to different places. That's why I made it like this bit long. My phone ringing for some reason. Now we want to do temporary item holder. This will hold a temporary item. Is it supposed to glow blue? Weird. I remember this claim, dude. So what we want to do is we get the item holder to be equal to inventory dot I, then inventory dot I will be equal to inventory dot B, then and I just opened it, Finder. Inventory dot B will equal to item holder. And this video is nearly over. So next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make those, show the first icon on the button. So let's just before this thing finishes, let's just add this. Yeah. And if you add this, you'll notice that it'll just spawn. Check which one's empty and spawn like that. See? And you can change it with items, everything. Move this. Your screen here. No problem. So next tutorial should be how to make those buttons pop up. So you can at least understand which icon you're dragging. Yeah, thank you much for watching. I hope you had a good tutorial.